Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are heading south of the border and we are going to make a super refreshing Mexican Paloma. So for this cocktail, we are going to need an array of things, as you can see. So we are going to need orange bitters, we are going to need agave nectar, fresh lime juice, fresh grapefruit juice, your favorite brand of blanco tequila, and then a little pinch of sea salt, as well as a sparkling pink grapefruit soda. This is going to be a shaken cocktail, so make sure you have your shaker tins, your jigger for accurate measurement. Because we are using fresh juice, don't forget we are going to use our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer. As always, the ingredient list is going to be down below, so that way you can build the cocktail right along with me. So for this one, we are going to go in with 2 dashes of orange bitters. We are going to do 0.5 ounces of our agave nectar. Ooh, get out of there. We're going to do 0.75 ounces of our fresh squeezed lime juice. 1 full ounce of our grapefruit juice, fresh squeezed, of course. And then we are going to do 2 full ounces, or I'm sorry, 1.5 ounces, I apologize, 1.5 ounces of our Blanco tequila. And then once we get to here, we're also going to add in just a pinch of sea salt. And then we're going to fill our shaker tin all the way up to the top and shake for about 15 to 20 seconds until it's ice cold in our hand. Or we're going to drop ice on the floor. Whatever floats your boat. All right, remember we used fresh squeezed lime juice and fresh squeezed grapefruit juice. So you're gonna need your Hawthorne and your mesh strainer. We are gonna put ice in our Collins glass. My dog is eating the ice off the floor. Right, stop that. If you were curious, yes, my dog's name is Rye after rye whiskey. Oh, he stopped because he got in trouble. All right, we're going to pour this directly into our Collins glass. All right, and then we are going to top it with your favorite brand of sparkling grapefruit soda. And there she is, your classic Paloma. Sorry, I'm getting goofy looks. If you guys enjoy the content, you like seeing my beautiful face every day, like my bloopers, because obviously I have plenty of those, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I want to see if you guys are making the cocktails with me or what you'd like to see next. Until the next pour. Cheers!